9 ways to reduce rental property management costs to maximize profit. Welcome to Real Estate TV, I'm Adnan Jallo. Are you willing to maximize your cash flow? Then you're in the right video, because I will list the 9 ways you can apply immediately to reduce management cost. But before we jump into the video, I would appreciate if you join our community by hitting the subscribe button. Can't wait to have you on board. If you can't raise rent rates to keep pace with inflation, then try to decrease costs. You can begin this procedure by reviewing a list of your property's expenses. Therefore, firstly, take a look at your mortgage or equity loan rate. Is it too high? Can you convert your equity loan into a conventional mortgage, which normally results in a lower interest rate? Examine whether the monthly payment is lower despite having to pay closing cost. If so, this may be a good option if you intend to keep the property for at least 5 years. It's a general rule of thumb when it comes to paying closing cost and points. 2. Taxes. Is your property being overtaxed? You can check this online by looking at the values of homes located around your rental property and checking the tax records of your homes compared to others. If your property is paying 20% more in property tax than other recently sold properties, you may submit an appeal with the Property Tax Assessor Authority, but state laws vary here. Remember that if the authority rules against you lose nothing. 3. Insurance. Home insurance rates vary greatly from company to company. It is simple to obtain new prices. If you don't want to do the legwork, contact an independent insurance agent who can check dozens of companies for the most affordable choice. Ensure that your property is not over-insured and you are not paying for unnecessary coverage. 4. Advertising. Have you considered posting a for rent sign when your property becomes vacant? This is frequently far less expensive than placing adverts in news, media, or social media. 5. Homeowners fees, depending on the state regulations. If you have to pay HO fees for your property, there often isn't much you can do to reduce the fees. But depending on your HOA rules, you might join or seek election to the HOA management board, where you might be able to find ways to reduce costs for everyone in the housing community, such as getting multiple bids when the time comes to hiring a lawn maintenance or landscaping firm. 6. Gas, electric, and other utilities. If your tenant pays the gas and electric bill, you may disregard these expenses. Additionally, there's a little you can do to cut utility company rates. However, if you pay these expenses, you may want to consider installing insulation to the attic or around the pipes. Nonetheless, you should conduct a cost-benefit analysis, especially if you do not intend to hold the property for an extended period of time. 7. Routine maintenance and repair cost. Always get many bids when you need to hire a contractor for property maintenance. Rates charged by electricians, plumbers, painters, and others vary significantly. Obviously, to truly save money, you should do the tax yourself if you're capable. You may also be able to hire friends or neighbors for non-technical tasks, such as raking leaves, picking trash, and cleaning up areas. 8. Internet service and TV programming. With the introduction of streaming channels, internet service and television programming costs have become more competitive in recent years. Search around for the best prices, but be aware that some forms of internet delivery are faster than others. Frequently, speed is a major concern for residents. 9. Accounting and taxes. If possible, handle your own records and taxes. You will save a great deal of money. But if you have questions, seek out expert advice. Experts can sometimes save you a substantial amount of money or keep you out of legal and tax trouble. Above all, always follow the law. As we all know, reducing expenses increases cash flow and profits. Therefore, strive to maximize your spending as sensible as possible. But don't be greedy, otherwise you may wind up causing inconvenience for the residents, which can result to vacancy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided you some valuable information. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Take care.